Hello everyone, welcome back to Taurus Wealth, and today is Tuck It Away Tuesdays, $2 Tuesdays. So today we will be stuffing our remodel fold binder, which is our yellow binder here, with $2. And so the purpose of this binder is so we can start saving. So we're going to start with home decor. Kitchen. We currently have a fixer-upper. Fence. Bathroom, we have two bathrooms actually. We have one on the top floor and the bottom floor, and we're thinking of adding one to the basement as well. So you might later on see 3 bathrooms, so you'll know why adding one in the basement. We have $2 here for the second floor bathroom. Second floor bathroom is a half bath, but we may make it into a full since there's 2 bedrooms on the second floor. We have electricity, new plumbing. A new garage. And maybe even a new garage floor. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the current garage floor, but I've seen some really nice remodels on garage floors. The yard. This is for like yard work, more plants, stones around the garden bed, different things like that. The front porch. This is mainly for like privacy, to add a privacy something screen, or really don't want to do like a curtains, but yeah, for privacy, and maybe even the front porch floor. Roof. Floors, want all new floors all the way through on all 3 floors, first floor, second floor, and basement. And we know how to do floors, so we'll probably just be saving for the material, and we'll probably lay it ourselves, which will save us a lot of money. And then greenhouse. Hubby has a green thumb, so we're gonna go ahead and get him a greenhouse in the backyard so he can go ahead and grow everything his heart desires. So with this binder, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, and 26. So far, we have added $26 to Tuck It Away Tuesdays. So that is it for this binder. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add some cash to one of our savings. I think we're going to do this one here. So this one here is a 100 envelope saving challenge, and it has a nice tracker on the front of it, and it goes all the way up to 100. So I'm guessing most people put like $1, $2, $3, $4 in here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out my deck of cards. And how I do this with the cards is, if I pull out 1 through 10, if I pull out any number 1 through 10, it gets that amount. If I pull out if I pull out a jack, it gets 10. If I pull out a queen, it gets 15. If I pull out a king, it gets 20. I pull out an ace, it gets 50. If I pull out a joker, it gets 100. So I'm going to give these cards a little shuffle. Let me go ahead and get out my red marker. All right. And depending on how high of a number I pull out first will determine if I continue to pull cards. Because if I pull out a joker, you best believe that's all this book is getting today is that $100. So let's break it in half. Oh, there's a jumper. We're going to use the jumper. 3. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and pull out $3. 1, 2, and 3. And I don't want to bend the money. I know. It's like, why not? I really don't. Makes the money over fast. So what I'm gonna do is put this $3 in here. And then what I'm gonna do, so I can keep up with it, I'm gonna pull my $3 card out. No, I'm just gonna put it over here. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna do this. So that way the money, I don't have to fold it, tri-fold it, because I would have to fold it and stick it in there. And then that way we'll know, okay, $3, and then also here, and then also the card. Yeah, that's how we're gonna do that. Because this money is like so crispy, I don't really want to do that. I don't want to bend it. So we're gonna open this. And we're gonna put that right there. Oh, is it gonna fit? Are we gonna be able to do that? Yeah, we're gonna be able to do that. I'll look for some more of these to fit the, I think this is a 5 binder. So yeah, but that's how we're gonna do that. So we have $3, marked it there. So the 3, we marked it, we pulled out the 3 spot. So now we're gonna pull again. I'm gonna do another shuffle. We have 10. Okay, great. So we're going to pull $10. And we're going to mark it. I'm going to put the $10 in here with the singles. And that is it for our savings challenge for Tuck It Away Tuesdays. Thank you for watching. And if you would like, you can subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you. Bye-bye.